YouTubers? Today I'll be unboxing a Logitech K320 keyboard. There you go. This keyboard comes with a unifying receiver, and I already have one of those, so there's no need for me to get another one. A unifying receiver allows you to connect up to, I think, 6 devices, like a mouse, a numeric keypad, a keyboard, with just one receiver. Alright, here's what's inside the box. There you go. And you have a piece of paper, your packing slip. You have your keyboard, ain't that beautiful? And some bubble wrap. And that's it. And here it is. K320. As I mentioned earlier, it has a unifying receiver, and I already have a unifying mouse with that little orange symbol on it. So pretty much I can use just one receiver and control the rest without plugging another receiver. So this is useless for me. Maybe I could plug it into my PS3 or something. I already have two of these receivers. When I open this box, it's going to be my third one. That's it, just plastic wrap. And here's the keyboard. Nice. Here's the front. And then nothing really special on the outside. 2.4 gigahertz, a unifying receiver. Unifying, it tells you if there's a low battery by green or red LED. And comfortable, that's what this top says. And that's about it. Here goes the opening. Windows 7 compatible, Vista XP, and it's USB powered. Or it could be, it's wireless. This is a wireless keyboard because it uses that unifying receiver once again. Here's the inside. Here we go. There's the box, empty. Here's the outside box. Plain and simple. And here we go. Boom. And once again, this is what you get. The unifying receiver. I already have one of those. 3 of these actually. I don't need them. I don't need this one. Like I said, I have one for my mouse already. So this is useless. Alright. Take this out. You get the keyboard and the unifying receiver. You also get empty and a USB cable extender for the unifying receiver. So pretty much this is for like use for desktop use. It's a little USB extension cord. Stands up by itself because of the weight. And you get some software, not software, just instructions. Getting started. Important information. And that's it. Alright. Here's a cable. Unifying receiver. Once again, 60th time I have one on my mouse. See? I have one already on my mouse connected to my computer, so I don't need this. And onto the keyboard. Look at that. Here's the back. Unifying again. This is where you put the batteries in. Takes double A's, 2 of them. You can flop that out. This is just plastic. There's no rubber on it. There's rubber down here on this corner. There's no rubber up here whatsoever on this top part, so it might slide a lot. But there's 2 rubber feet. That's it. And it has some nice plastic you can remove. It has a music button, play button, volume down, volume up, mute, home probably for your internet, back, forth, and email. And that's it. And some more functions. There we go. And that is the unboxing of the Logitech wireless keyboard K320 with unifying receiver.